Hey, hi YouTube, how are you? I hope you all guys are doing great. In this video, we are going to see select statement or select clause or select command. Okay, so let's see. If you haven't seen the video of how we can insert the data and how we can create the table, just look at it. So we will use select. This video will be very small. So select is basically used to select the rows or columns. Okay. So first of all, let's see the syntax of select command. So it is select um, whatever column you want to select. So let's suppose I want to select column 1, column 2, and so on. From where you want to select? From a table. So table name. It's very easy. It's just like English. Okay. Now, there is just a pro tip which I want to give you. Like, if you are working in a production level work, and you should not do like this kind of thing. Select all star from table name because okay, so star is basically when you want to see all the columns. So it's that we denote from asterisk, which is also called as star. So please don't do this in production because maybe there can be million or billion rows, and it will load at because of this just select query. It will take a lot of time, and also per query execution it also cost when you host your SQL on any cloud platform or you directly use clouds like AWS Dynamo, RDS, Snowflake, or whatever it is. Okay. So, and another one is also there, like select column one as maybe you can give some alias name. Okay, I will show you from table name. Okay, so let's suppose you want to extract just you want to just see a one column and you want to change the name of that column for a particular instant, then you can use this alias name. Okay. So let's see practical of it. So currently we have created some one table and we have inserted some values in it, and you can find it here. I will be sharing it. Okay, so now let's see how we can use this select query, or you can just select command or whatever it is. Just I'm writing select. Okay, so let's see. So if we want to see all the columns from this employee details, so what we gonna do is select all from table name, which is employee underscore details. So this will show me all the records of this table, which is employee details, all the records. Okay, fine. But let's suppose I just want to see, okay, let me just add it here so that it will be easier to you to track or learn. Now, let's suppose I want to just see some columns. Let's suppose I want to see employee ID. Maybe I just want to see the employee ID and their salary. Okay, salary. So here you can see like employee ID has 3,000 salary, employee 2 has this salary, this salary, and in this way you can see like um, the specific columns. Okay, now let's suppose let's see the whole data again. Okay, so show the whole data. So here it is. Now let's suppose I want to see salary, but I don't want the column name as salary. Instead, I want it as employee salary. Okay, so select salary as, or let it be capital, as employee underscore salary, which is called as alias. Okay, we are just giving some name to it. So here see, actually, the column name is salary. Now itself is its salary. But for this view, just for this particular instant, the name of the column has become employee salary. But in actually, it is salary only. Okay, and we are going to see the salaries. Okay. You might be thinking it's of no use, but trust me, it's of use when you will move forward and when we will be seeing some complex queries. It will be really, really helpful. We basically use this kind of alias and all. Okay, so let me, I forgot to mention it here. employee ID, and let's suppose salary. So okay, so these are these three select commands. As of now, we have seen it. So this was it about the select command. Next is going to be a bit long and it's going to be very interesting, which is where command class. Okay, where command or where class. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.